Here's your Farm and Ranch report from the Montana Ag Network.
Hi everybody, it's time for your Farm and Ranch news. Well, this week thousands of cattle producers from across the country will be here in Nashville, Tennessee for the 2021 Cattle Industry Convention and NCBA Trade Show. Although attendance this year out of Montana, Wyoming, and the Western Dakotas might be a little bit lighter than normal, and rightfully so, because producers back home are certainly concerned about the ongoing drought and, more importantly, wildfire. But as the saying goes, the show must go on, and this week a lot of important business will be conducted, including tackling some very important issues for America's beef cattle industry. With us is Jerry Bone, NCBA president out of Kansas. And Jerry, of course, top of mind here of late, the cattle market transparency legislation working its way through Congress.
Yes, in the last week, the Biden administration did announce some new reports that will be coming out that will hopefully provide more information about some of the transactions that take place in the fed cattle market. Transparency is important, and I believe that it's an attempt on the part of the government to meet some of the demands from producers around the country to have more information to make a better, more informed marketing decision. So we think that it's a step in that direction. I believe that some of the work that NCBA has been doing also helped push the government to do that in that direction.
Jerry, talk about the product of the USA label and giving consumers more information at the meat case.
Yes, what we're asking for is the current product of the USA label doesn't have anything to do with origin of any of the beef. And what we found is that beef from other countries could be brought into the United States, reboxed or reprocessed, and then would get the label of product of the U.S. So what we're asking for is that label change to processed in the U.S., which is truthful. And it's really a truth in labeling law. And in the end, what we can do with product of the USA, if somebody wants to use that, it's still available. They just go through a process verified program that can verify the origin of the beef, that it is actually U.S. beef, and then it can use that label.
All right, well, stay with us, friends. We're going to talk some more with NCBA President Jerry Bone right after this.